Kieran. The little girl has an attitude. Hi, Kieran. Come here. This is Kieran. I think she's ticklish. Are you ticklish, Kieran? She's one of the Philly babies, of course. Come here, show me face. Oh, look at your face. She says, leave me alone, let me go back to sleep. But she's been keeping me company today. Kieran is kind of, she looks more silvery, but she has this little, let's see if I can show it to you. Oh, I know. She has a little white spot under her neck. And she doesn't like to be on her back much. She says, I'm just... She does like to be cuddled. She just likes to be cuddled on her stomach. She's got a lot of personality when she's not sleeping. Oop. You want to talk, Kieran? What you want to say? That's not talking, that's a grunt. You want to be held again? No. Really? And then what? And that's Kieran. I think she already knows her name. Don't you, KK? Kieran. Nighty night.